Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. Check this out if you love smart solutions. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it performs flawlessly. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it handles heavy usage without any issues. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly mind-blowingly effective for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for Seesii right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay. Get ready to be amazed because this is officially taking over the internet. Check this out if you love